Marvel Refrigerator Model MOKR124SS31A Error Codes. Marvel MOKR124SS31A 24-inch outdoor beer dispenser cabinet with dynamic cooling technology, thermal efficient insulated cabinet, 2 removable stow-on-board metal shelves, close door assist, door tempi. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: temperature sensor fault. If the controller detects that the temperature sensor is not properly functioning, a temperature sensor alarm will sound. E1 will flash on the display, and an alarm will sound. Code CL. Problem: condenser needs cleaning. When the refrigerator has reached the recommended amount of runtime for a condenser cleaning, CL will flash on the display as a reminder to clean the condenser.